Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to be recharging my AC unit with AC Pro. So this is an R134A refrigerant, and if you have a car built after 1990, you will most likely have an R134A refrigerant. But you can always check your manual on what refrigerant you have. And also for Honda Odyssey 2007, I actually have that information right over here. So I'm not sure if you can read that because it's too small, but it says there R134A right there. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you know where your low pressure line is. So for my particular car, my low pressure line is right over here. So if you don't know that, all you need to do is look at your compressor and you follow where the AC lines are. So from my compressor is below. This is actually the AC line right here. And there's two lines. There's going to be a high port and a low port. So the high port is always going to be on the thinner line. The low port is always going to be the thicker line. Also, the high port is always going to be to the front of your vehicle, and the low port is always to the back. So that's how they usually do it. And another way to do it is look at your service manual, or AC Pro actually have an app that you can download, and it actually shows you the location for your particular car model. So which is good. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is turn on your engine. I'm gonna turn my engine on later because I don't want the AC air to be blowing here and you cannot hear what I'm saying. So you're gonna turn on your engine, turn your AC on, put it to its coldest position, and make sure that you have the recirculate mode active, okay? That is a requirement according to the AC Pro manual. So let's go ahead and do that. So AC to the lowest position. Okay, I'm gonna blow the air out. I have the recirculate mode on, and I'm gonna blow the air to the highest setting. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the temperature. Let me see. Right now it's showing at around 84, so it's basically nothing. Let's go ahead now and recharge the AC and see what happens. Okay, so before you charge your AC, make sure that you remove the plastic tab that is in your unit. Okay, so this is just here so you don't accidentally release the refrigerant before you actually put it in your system. So let me go ahead and do that. So this one, just take this thing out. And you can actually toss that away. Next is you want to shake this properly. You shake it well because according to the website, this thing have this much liquid refrigerant. You have this much oil and then you have gas in it. So in order for you to discharge everything into your system properly, you want to make sure that the components inside are mixed properly before you do it. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, next is you want to put your dispenser back and your gauge. So, and make sure that you close it tightly so that no refrigerant will escape from here as you put it into your system. Okay, and also as you put it into your system, make sure that this goes from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock every 2 seconds. So you go 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, and you can shake it also while you're doing it to make sure that all the components inside continues to get mixed. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Now I'm gonna have to remove the cap from my low AC port and put it to where you can find it. Now I'm gonna have to push this thing into the low port. Okay. Okay, then you want to start releasing it. Just keep doing this. And wait until this goes into the green port. Okay? Okay, so if you look at my port now, it's showing that I am now between 40 and 50, almost to the full of the field position. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here and measure the AC temperature. Now gonna go ahead and take out this bulb, and I'm gonna put back my AC port. Okay, and let's go inside. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check the temperature of the AC. See, right now it's registering at 36 degree or 35 degree, so which is really good compared to what we have earlier. So I hope that this video helped you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.